Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Sikandar and I will be teaching English grammar to class 4. Before proceeding with our first lecture, I would like to discuss the syllabus of first term. In first term, we will be covering noun and its types, pronoun, adjective degrees, prepositions, articles, singular plural, and word opposites. Today we will be covering our first topic, that is noun and its types. Noun. Noun refers to a name of a person, place, animal and thing. Everything which you see around you and you can name those things are called noun. For example, in person, name of a girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. Name of a place, school. For example, Guards Public School. Home, playground, zoo. You can say Karachi Zoo. Animal, dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard. And things, book, flower, shoe, pencil, your box, your razor, everything's come under noun. For more clear explanation, we will see the examples. The boy is on the tree. Boy, person is a noun. Tree, thing, again noun. Second example, the kitten is under the mat. Kitten, young one of a cat, is an animal, it's a noun. Is under the mat. Mat is a thing. The goat is on the stool. Goat is an animal, stool is a thing. The lion is in his den. Now the place where the lion lives is called a den. So lion is an animal, again noun, and den, it's a place where the lion lives, so it's a noun. Types of noun. The types of noun which we will be covering in this lecture are common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Common noun. Now common noun, the name says it all. Common is used to name general things, places, ideas, events or people. These nouns don't begin with capital letter. For example, the girl is playing. Now here the name of the girl is not mentioned. Which girl is playing? Who is playing? So it's a common noun. The boy likes animal. Who likes animal? The name of the boy is not given. It's not mentioned. Again, it's a common noun. The teacher is teaching. Which teacher is teaching? The name of the teacher is not written. It's not mentioned. Again, it's a common noun. I read a book. Here, I haven't mentioned the name or the title of the book. So again, it's a common noun. It can be any book. Now, proper noun. Again, proper refers to specific and particular person, place or thing. For example, the name of the boy is mentioned, Ali. Place, Lahore. Day, Friday. These all are proper nouns. These nouns begin with capital letters. For example, Zain hit the ball. Now, who hit the ball? Zain. The name of the boy is mentioned. Sarah is reading a book. Who is reading a book? Sarah. Again, the name is given, it's mentioned, so it's a proper noun. We are going to visit PAF Museum. Where we are going? PAF Museum. The name of the museum is mentioned. So again, it's a proper noun. My brother lives in Lahore. The name of the place is mentioned, Lahore. So these All names refers to proper noun where the name is mentioned. Now comes collective noun. Collective noun. You can see from the name it's taken from collection. So, collective nouns are group of people or things. A word used to define a grouping of people, animals, objects or concepts. For example, in the phrase a pack of cards. Now here pack is a collective noun. So, thing which refers to collection or group is known as collective noun. It can be people, it can be an animal. We will be talking about animal. It can be things, it can be people. So all these refers to collective noun. Let's have a look on examples for people, animal and for things. A band of magicians, a choir of singers, a class of students, a crowd of people, a team of players. Now you can see here that whenever we are referring two or more than two people, we will use collective noun. For band, for magicians, we will use band. For singers, we will use choir. For students, we will use class. For people, we will use crowd. For players, we will use team. Now let's have a look on the collective noun for animals. An army of ants, a flock of birds, a flock of sheep, a herd of deer, a hive of bees. Here, army, flock, again flock, herd and hive refer to collective noun. Let's have a look on the examples of collective noun for things. A bouquet of flowers, a pack of cards, a galaxy of stars, a bunch of keys, a pair of shoes. So here bouquet, pack, galaxy, bunch, pair refers to collective noun. Review of today's lecture. We have covered today definition of noun with examples, type of noun, common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Let's have a recap. Noun refers to a name of a person, place, animal and thing. Everything which you see around yourself refers to noun. Common noun. Common noun are all general things. Proper noun refers to specific or particular name of a thing, place or animal. In collective noun, the name says it all, has been taken from collection, so it refers to collection or group of person, people, events or things.